Welcome back. This is Dory Haruska with Forever Quilting. It's time to look at another block on this new quilt pattern by Dawn of Sew Cherished. This block has a couple fun dimensional flowers to quilt around. Now, because some of the blocks in this quilt will have heavy filler designs around the applique, I chose to add a 1/4 inch border just inside some of the alternating blocks. I refer to this as framing the block. This will help to separate the background designs. For this block, I simply stitched in the ditch around the applique, echoed the flowers, and added some leaves trailing down the side of the pot. I would love to hear how you quilt around applique. Just leave a comment below and be sure to watch part 3 for more machine quilting inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you don't miss the next video coming out soon.